Well, this is very appropriate. The first thing I've pointed the viewer at is a wishing well, which is really ironic considering the water supply has just been cut to the whole area in which I live. And I've been sent home from school, so it must be quite bad. Just think they wouldn't be able to flush the toilets or nothing. This is kind of my monastery display, but my monastery display is not quite there. It's not quite completed yet. But I really am thinking about water, aren't I? I've got this little thing and it runs the water down. The actual water runs down into this thing. It's really for marbles. Those are marbles. That's where I'm starting to make like a golden dinosaur. But I haven't done it yet. Something I have to do today. You see how little of it is actually completed now that I'm panning around. I'm panning.